How cool is that? I'm traveling next to a car transport that has vintage police cars. Pretty cool. There's like an old Dodge A100 van on there. Not too sure what the back car is. No, that's a Galaxy, I think, on top. Very cool. I'm trying to drive at the same time, so don't hate me for the bad video footage. Oh, that's not a A100, but it looks like one. I don't know the official term for that, but that's pretty cool. So I guess these are movie cars. Very, very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye-bye.